Hey guys, in this video I go over how to set up a voicemail on AT&T home phone. Very easy and simple. First, what you want to do is you want to use that phone that is connected to your AT&T voicemail, right? Set that up using a *98. You just dial that, or what you can do is dial your access number, and you just need to follow the prompts that they give you to set up your mailbox. And if you want to set up your mailbox using a phone number that is not connected to your AT&T voicemail, you just follow these, right? Just dial your access number, enter your temporary PIN, which is your 10-digit phone number, and then you just follow the prompts to set up your mailbox. And when you ever want to access your voicemail, you just go ahead and dial *98 from your home phone. Okay? And if you're ever away from the home, you just dial your access number and follow the prompts, or dial your phone number and then press the star key when you hear the greeting. Then you just have to enter your PIN and follow the prompts that they give you. Okay? Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.